name is Maria Paz. I started as a student in the workspace in level 2 stage, and I absolutely loved it because it helped me gain the confidence I needed to, continue sewing. And then I also, it's a 5 to 6 week course, and I learned so much from it. Like I learned how to quilt, I learned how to make cushions, I learned how to make skirts and things like that. Like easy, basic learning, and it was really fun. Now what I'm doing, I'm helping with the Saturday classes. One of the tutors, she's guiding me on how to, the right way to teach people, so it's understandable for everyone, and also to be a little bit patient because obviously everyone has a different level of learning. So it's really fun and really exciting, and hopefully I'll be able to take over those classes myself. But I also did upcycling workshop with some TikTok kids, and it was a really fun and exciting day for everyone because what they do is they bring their own clothes that they haven't worn in a while, but they don't want to throw them away. They want to, give them a second life to this garment. So what I do is like I give them a rough ideas and they tell me what they want. And obviously not everyone is confident about doing sketches because obviously it doesn't need to be pretty. So what I did a little rough sketches of the ideas that I have for them or the ideas that they have also for these specific garments. And then we we start like cutting the fabric. Don't feel fear about cutting fabric because you can always come back and, fix it or make it in a more interesting way, more creative. So it was a really fun workshop, and hopefully we're gonna continue doing those. I think it's done on Fridays that we do upcycling workshops. So it's really excited about the FC courses that they do there. And now after I finished my course, I got a call from one of the tutors, Maria, there's a possible job. Are you interested? I'm like, yeah, of course. Okay, next day you have a trial shoot. Would you be able to come? It's like, yeah, of course, I will be able to come. So I came to the factory, to the repair workshop, and I actually really like it because I love sewing, and it teaches you a more creative way of sewing. Because what we do here, we repair mainly Patagonia jackets, and then sometimes they have a little hole that the feathers are coming out, so we have to thinking about, okay, how can we repair this? So what we do a patch work. So we do seam to seam, and we cut a piece of fabric and we put it on top and top stitch it. And sometimes we do a mismatch of fabric to make it more fun, more interesting. Or sometimes we need to change the zips because sometimes, the more you wear them, you need to, they're going to start to worn down. So you need to remove them and then we need to change it. So it's also really interesting because zips are hard, but the more you do it, the better you become at it. So it's really fun. And my future plans is to be part of the level 2 in pattern cutting here in the factory because I'm really interested on that.